In today's video, we will explore the world of natural cleaning, discuss the benefits of making your own cleaning solutions, share some great DIY recipes that will keep your home sparkling clean without using harsh chemicals. Embarking on the cleaning journey within your home can be seen as a battle, but fear not. Today, I'm here to equip you with some insider secrets that promise to elevate the effectiveness and, dare I say, enjoyment of the entire cleaning process. Natural cleaning solutions and recipes. Let's kick things off with the art of crafting your very own cleaning solutions. A simple concoction of water, apple cider vinegar, and a few drops of tea tree oil can yield a powerhouse surface cleaner. Not only does this mixture boast surface cleaning prowess, but it also introduces the refreshing notes of tea tree oil, renowned for its antiseptic properties. Ever had trouble with a stubborn sink? Fear not. A cup of baking soda followed by a cascade of hot water will work wonders in unclogging your sinks, offering a chemical-free solution that ensures water flows freely. Oven cleaning secrets and bid farewell to bad smells. Oven cleaning, a task often dreaded, is about to become a walk in the park. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water, generously apply it to your oven, and let it work its magic for a few hours. This miracle mixture not only erases stains and residues but can also be strategically placed in your oven to absorb those pesky bad odors. Sparkling whitener for cleaning glass and mirrors. When it comes to glass surfaces and mirrors, the solution to stains lies in a blend of water, apple cider vinegar, and isopropyl alcohol. Funneled into a spray bottle, this mixture becomes your go-to for banishing stains and restoring the sparkle to your reflective surfaces. To revive the gleam in your tiles, employ a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda. This dynamic duo doesn't just bring back the shine, it also works wonders in grout whitening. From tiles to sinks, special cleaning tips and extra tricks. For an extra gleam on tiles, a blend of white vinegar and baking soda will not only whiten the grout but also bid farewell to stubborn stains. When it comes to sinks, enlist the help of baking soda and a few drops of lavender oil for a bacteria-killing spree, leaving behind a delightful scent. Oh, and don't forget that trusty old toothbrush. Perfect for reaching those hidden nooks under your sink. Carpet cleaning secrets and shampoo recipe. Concerned about your carpet's cleanliness? Worry not. A solution of natural soap, water, and a few drops of lavender oil is your ticket to a fresh and clean carpet. Apply the mixture generously and wipe it down with a clean cloth or sponge, leaving your carpet not only spotless but also infused with a soothing lavender fragrance. The importance of avoiding chemicals and natural ventilation in the home. Steering clear of harsh chemicals during your cleaning escapades is not just a favor to your home but also a crucial step in safeguarding your health. Open those windows wide for natural ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate and invigorate your living space. Revitalize your home with natural scents and bonus cleaning tips. Elevate your cleaning experience by adding natural and pleasant scents to your home. Essential oils, with their aromatic allure, can transform your cleaning routine into a sensory delight. Pro tip: use a damp rubber glove to effortlessly pick up stubborn pet hair during your cleaning sessions, or heat a mixture of vinegar and water in the microwave to banish those lingering bad odors. Create a cleaning routine and professional cleaning tips. Now, for the grand finale, the creation of a cleaning routine that rivals that of professional cleaners. Schedule your daily, weekly, and monthly cleaning tasks to unlock the secret to maintaining a perpetually clean and tidy home. 15 of the most useful cleaning secrets from the pros. 1. Ignore the clutter. This secret might surprise you, but think of it from a professional cleaner's point of view. Their job isn't to sort your mail or organize your kids' toys. When it's time to clean, tackle your house the way a pro would. Quickly tidy your paperwork into piles, toss shoes into closets, and put small objects into baskets for later organization. That way, you can clean your surfaces and floors properly. Then, pick a different day for cutting your clutter. 2. Start at the top. In each room, start at the highest point, such as dusting ceiling fans or wiping high shelves. Work your way down, sweeping any crumbs or dust onto the floor. Go ahead and knock dust and debris loose from curtains, lampshades, throw pillows, and other soft surfaces. As you work your way down, all the dust, pet hair, and debris will land on the floor to be vacuumed up at the end. Many professional cleaners also recommend you follow a cleaning path, top to bottom, back to front, and in slices from left to right. By following the path systematically, you reduce the time you spend looking around and deciding what to clean next. Instead, you just keep moving ahead on the path and you never have to go back to an area. 3. Work fast. Professional cleaners work on a schedule, cleaning quickly and efficiently to get the entire house done. With practice and focus, you, too, can streamline your tasks. Some cleaners even claim you can do an entire house in an hour. While that might only be true for the tiniest of homes, there's no doubt that it's easy to accidentally waste time and burn out before the job is done. If you'd like to speed up your system, follow this plan for how to clean your house fast with smart, time-saving tips. 4. Simplify your cleaning products. You don't really need a cabinet bursting with a different product for each cleaning task. Many basic cleaning products can be used in a wide range of situations. For example, vinegar is an inexpensive, natural solution that can be used to cut grease, disinfect surfaces, shine glass, clear drains, clean toilets, remove stains, and even polish furniture. You will probably need more than just vinegar, but some professionals rely on as few as 3 basic cleaning products to tackle the entire house. Want to try it? Reduce your cleaning arsenal to 1 cleaning, degreasing solution, a spray bottle of white vinegar, and a wood cleaner such as lemon oil. 5. Use this miracle cleaning solution. Even if you reduced your cleaning products down to just a few versatile cleansers, you may still encounter some tough cleaning jobs as you work in your home. That's where a simple, natural solution made from vinegar and baking soda comes in handy. Even the pros will admit it's kind of fun to watch these 2 household ingredients foam up when they're combined, but the real miracle takes place when you put the solution to work. Use the vinegar and baking soda combo to tackle some of the toughest cleaning jobs in the house. It works beautifully on everything from scorched pans to shower drains. 6. Use the right tools for dusting. If you've ever tried to dust your entire house with a couple of rags, you know they're not quite up to the job. One swipe and you've got a dirty cloth and a lot of dust flying around. Instead, invest in the proper tools for dusting, and you'll save time and effort while vanquishing the dust in your home. Get started with a long-handled bendable duster that helps you reach ceiling fans, light fixtures, top shelves, and other spots up high. A soft bristled paintbrush makes a perfect duster for delicate antiques and trinkets. Don't forget that the brush attachment on your vacuum is handy for dusting, too, especially hard to reach spots like air vents. 7. Don't ignore the dreaded window and shower tracks. It's amazing how quickly window and shower tracks fill up with dust and gunk. The good news is that you don't need an expensive cleaning product or a lot of time to clean this tough area. Make window and shower tracks part of your regular cleaning routine by applying a solution of baking soda and vinegar. Then, an old toothbrush, rag, and butter knife are all the tools you'll need to clean window and shower tracks like a pro. 8. Steam clean your microwave. No matter how many times you remind your family to cover dishes before microwaving, someone always forgets. Next thing you know, you've got a microwave splattered with dried-on food that's disgusting to look at and hard to clean. Never fear, because professional cleaners know the quick tricks for cleaning your microwave that save time and elbow grease. First of all, steam it. Fill a bowl with water and add a little vinegar and wedges of lemon or other citrus fruit. Put the bowl in the microwave and heat until the solution boils and fills the microwave with steam. Don't open the door, but let the microwave rest for a few minutes. Finally, simply wipe the inside with a microfiber cloth or paper towel, and watch the food particles come right off. Your microwave will look and smell fresh and clean. 9. Go ahead, clean it in the dishwasher. Don't waste a lot of time soaking and scrubbing small household items like soap dishes, toothbrush organizers, sink drains, and stove burner liners. Instead, put them on the top shelf of the dishwasher and let it do the work for you. Just about anything made of hard plastic, glass, metal, or ceramic can be run safely through the dishwasher. Wondering what else you can clean in there? Pros say hairbrushes, pet dishes, gardening tools, plastic baby toys, refrigerator shelves, and lots of other items can be cleaned in the dishwasher. We don't know about you, but we're now looking all over the house for more stuff to load up and clean fast. 10. Clean the bathtub smarter, not harder. When it comes to cleaning the tub or shower stall, a little patience is a big virtue. Start by applying a thin, even layer of your bathroom cleaning product all over the tub or shower stall. You don't even need a specialty bathroom product for this. A basic degreasing cleanser will work great if you give it time to soak. While you clean other areas, the cleanser will work its magic dissolving soap scum and body oils. After waiting several minutes, simply scrub and rinse. To leave the tub and shower stall sparkling like a pro would, finish the job by applying a fine mist of vinegar and wiping dry with a microfiber cloth. 11. Vanquish unsightly toilet stains. The first tip a professional cleaner will share is to clean your toilets regularly before stains build up. If you're too late for that advice, you might think you need bleach or other strong cleansers, along with a stiff toilet brush. However, you can save time and effort and get a really clean toilet if you follow these steps to clean toilet stains like a pro. Want a sneak peek? Vinegar-soaked paper towels and patience are the key ingredients. 12. Vacuum everywhere. If you thought the vacuum was only good for carpets, think again. Professional cleaners know that a time-saving secret is to vacuum every floor in the house, including bathrooms and the kitchen. It's the fastest and most efficient way to pick up dust, hair, and all the little bits of debris that like to hide in corners. After vacuuming, go ahead and mop all the hardwood and tile floors, starting with the furthest corner and working your way back to the door. 13. Use microfiber cloths for everything. To clean like a pro, it's worth laying in a large supply of microfiber cloths. These multitasking miracle workers can be used on nearly every surface in the house. Better yet, they reduce the amount of cleaning products you'll need to use, and they leave surfaces dry and clean with a minimum of wiping. Some professionals believe so strongly in the power of microfiber cloths that they only use water or vinegar to clean many surfaces. There's simply no other cleaning tool so versatile and effective. 14. Leave every surface sparkling. When you invest your time and hard work into cleaning your home, you deserve the reward of a living space that looks, feels, and smells wonderful. Professional house cleaners know how important it is that a house literally gleams, which is why they always end cleaning jobs with this bright trick. Simply spray a little vinegar onto a microfiber cloth, and give every surface one final wipe as you finish each room. Don't forget appliances, doorknobs, mirrors, windowsills, and baseboards. 15. Clean regularly. When you ask professional house cleaners for their top tip, this is the piece of advice most of them would share. Clean often. In fact, the pros recommend you set a regular cleaning day, once a week is most common, and set aside enough time to clean the entire house in one go. There are 2 benefits to cleaning regularly. First, you get to enjoy the fruit of your labor. There's nothing like relaxing in a fresh, clean house. Second, you'll save work in the end. It's a lot easier to clean a mostly clean house than it is to wait until you are faced with a dirty disaster. Cleaning regularly means there isn't time for soap residue to build up, dust to collect in difficult-to-reach spots, and other problems to accumulate. I hope you found these natural cleaning tips not only informative but also inspiring for your own home cleaning endeavors. Feel free to contribute to our vibrant cleaning community by sharing your own cleaning secrets, experiences, and suggestions in the comments section below. Remember, a clean home is not just a visual delight. It's the cornerstone of a healthy and peaceful life within. If you've enjoyed this video and want more tips for life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, take care of yourselves.